Hey friends, welcome back. It's Mrs. G, and I'm here with your number talks for today, Monday, January 25th, 2021. As we've been doing number talks the last few times, we are not giving you these slides, so you don't have to turn anything in. We just want you to think through and talk through how you would go about solving these next few slides for today. All right, so let's begin. Our first slide is this one. What is the cost of the set of stamps? I'll give you guys an opportunity to think about this. And if I'm going too fast, you can always pause the video so you can answer this question. All right, welcome back. So here, I'm going to notice that I have 2 rows, and in each row, there are 5 stamps. Each stamp also has a 2 in it. I'm going to assume that that is how much each of these stamps costs. So what I'm going to do is we can either skip count by twos, we can do partial products where we just find the product answer for the first row and add that to the second row to find out how much this book of stamp costs, or we can do repeated addition. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use partial products. Partial products. And that means that I have 2 because that's how much each of these costs times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to have that 2 times. And I'm going to make sure that I can add that as well because I have 2 rows and each row has the same amount of stamps. So I know that 2 times 5 is 10. And then I have another 2 times 5. And I know that 10 plus 10 is 20 if I do partial products. I can also do skip counting by twos. So here's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Was that what you guys got? I bet it was. Let's do the next one. All right, this one looks a little different, so pay attention. What is the cost of this book of stamps? I'll give you a chance to think about it. All right, welcome back. We're going to continue doing this partial product business. That's the strategy that I want to focus on for this number talks today. So partial products. Here I'm noticing that my stamps have a different number on it. It's the number 4 on it this time. And I see that I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on this first row. So and they each have a number 4 on it. So I'm going to do a 4 times 5 for the first row. And then I'm going to add that to what I see on my second row, and that is 1, 2, 3, 4. So this one is a 4 by 4 on the second row. And I know that 4 times 5 is 20, and that 4 times 4 is 16. And then I'll just add 20 plus 16 and get 36. And this would be the same thing as a number sentence of 4 times 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I'm just going to write that number sentence here as well so you guys can see it. 4 times 9 is equal to 36. And we can see that with my partial products. Both of these got a 4 because that is how much each one of these stamps is worth. And then I have 4 plus 5, 5 plus 4, and that's 9. So 4 times 9 is equal to 36. All right, let's move on to our next one. What is the cost of this set of stamps? All right, let's give you a minute to think. All right, here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stamps, and they're each worth 6 cents. So again, partial products. Almost forgot how to spell that for a second. They're each worth 6 cents. And I'm going to do the first row first, so that is 6 times 5. And then the second row plus 6 times 1. There's only 1 down here. I know that 6 times 5 is 30. And then here I have 1 times 6. I know that anything multiplied by 1 is whatever number you're multiplying. So that is 6. That is equal to 36. And we can double check that, my partial product, by counting how many stamps I have altogether one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 plus 1 is 6, and they're each worth 6 cents. So that is 6 times 6 is equal to 36. All right, here's our last one for today. What is the cost of this stamp set? I'll give you a minute to think. All right, so we're going to keep doing partial products. Here I see that each stamp is worth 8 cents. So it's going to be 8 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 8 times 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, I know that 8 times 5 is 40. And next, I'm trying to figure out what 8 times 4 is. So that is going to be 32. All right, now I can just do the addition here. I see that I have 40 plus 32, and that is a total of 72. 8 times 5 plus 8 times 4 is the same as you multiplying 8 times 9, and that is 72. Was that what you guys got? I bet it was. All right, my friends, until our next number talks. Bye.